Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dell 16 Laptop DC16250. Make sure to click the link below for the best price. Let's start with the design and display. Right out of the box, the Dell 16 makes a solid impression with its carbon black finish. It's simple, professional, and understated, making it perfect whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants a laptop that looks sharp. The real star here is the 16-inch display. Dell has gone with a 16:10 aspect ratio, giving you a little more vertical space compared to the usual 16:9 panels. This is great for productivity, more room for documents, spreadsheets, or just less scrolling while browsing. The screen itself is Full HD+, with touch support, which means it's not only crisp and clear but also lets you interact directly with your content. Touch displays aren't always standard at this price point, so it's a nice bonus for casual sketching, navigating apps, or even flipping through presentations. Now, powering this laptop is the Intel Core i7-150U processor. This is part of Intel's new lineup designed for efficiency and smooth multitasking. It's not a high-end gaming chip, but it's more than capable for everyday use, things like web browsing, working with Office apps, running multiple tabs, and even handling light creative work like photo editing. Backing it up, you get 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is plenty for multitasking without slowdowns. Whether you've got 20 browser tabs open, a Zoom call running, and Spotify playing in the background, this laptop will keep up without struggling. For storage, Dell included a 1TB SSD, which is generous at this level. Not only does it give you fast boot-up times and quick app launches, but it also means you'll have tons of space for files, projects, videos, and more without worrying about running out of storage anytime soon. Graphics are handled by integrated Intel graphics. That means this laptop isn't really built for heavy gaming, but it will do fine for casual games, streaming 4K video, or handling creative tasks like Canva, Photoshop Basics, or video editing at a lightweight level. If you're a gamer looking for AAA titles, you'll want something with a dedicated GPU, but for most day-to-day users, the Intel graphics get the job done. On the software side, it comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, giving you a modern interface, productivity features, and of course, access to Microsoft's Copilot AI features, which are being built right into Windows. So whether it's summarizing content, generating quick drafts, or just helping you search faster, the laptop is already future-ready with those tools. In terms of build and portability, the Dell 16 strikes a nice balance. It's not ultra-thin like an XPS, but it's slim enough to carry around in a backpack comfortably, making it great for commuters or students. Battery life is solid for a machine with this spec. You can expect a full workday with mixed use, though of course heavy multitasking or streaming will drain it faster. Connectivity-wise, Dell usually provides a decent port selection, so you'll have your USB ports, HDMI, and of course Wi-Fi for smooth wireless connectivity. Plus, Dell backs this laptop with a 1-year basic on-site service warranty, which means you get peace of mind knowing that support is available if anything goes wrong. So, who is this laptop really for? If you're a student who needs a reliable machine for coursework, a professional looking for a work laptop with good screen real estate, or even a general home user who wants something powerful enough for everyday tasks and future-proofed with a lot of storage, the Dell 16 DC16250 is a solid option. To wrap things up, this laptop combines a large Full HD+ touch display, a new Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD, all in a sleek, professional design backed by Dell's support. It's not a gaming powerhouse, but it's a dependable daily driver for work, study, and entertainment. If this sounds like the right laptop for you, don't forget to click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.